The peach dress. And this is her little sister Claire. And this is my buddy Sophie right here.
You're up there. You come over here on this side. Over here. You come over here on this side of me. And you need this. Do we need this? Okay. Does that work? Does this work for you? Okay.
So we're gonna play 2 really short songs for you, okay? And one of them, the first one is by my friend May Erlewine Bernard wrote this song. And then the second one you might recognize, but you know, when we get there, you'll figure it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, do you remember how it starts? Are we in tune? Let's hear it. Oh, beautiful! Listen to this. Some island music for you all. This lovely spring day. Okay. This song is called Lullaby. One more for you. You'll know this one. You know this one. Okay, this is the first song that I teach all of these guys, and there's a reason for that.